This is the 3 worst date ideas. Let's get straight into it. So the first thing, guys, I don't know where this came from. Honestly, I don't know if it's Hollywood or anything, but if your first date, you go into the movie theater, bro, like, what? The point of the damn date is to get to know each other, feel her femininity, have a conversation. What are you going to the theater for? You sitting side by side and you're watching a movie awkwardly in silence? Like, seriously, you want her to feel your charm, get a conversation going on so you get closer to that, whatever you're looking to do.
You see what I mean?
Sometimes I talk to some girls and they go, this guy brought me to the movie theater, and they all think the same thing. They're like, this was so awkward. Like, we don't know each other. We're just sitting side by side watching a movie for the first time we're meeting. Like, what the hell, bro? Like, who came up with this? Like, I see this in, I think Hollywood programming make this. Like, they meet up at the movie theater and they go in together and watch a movie. That's what you do with your girlfriend. I don't know, you don't do this in the first date. What the hell, man? When you take a girl out for a date, the goal is always the same. The goal is to advance to whatever goal you have. It's to advance. Listen, if you don't advance in whatever dates you have, you are forcing an idea onto the girl. You want her to be that good girl. That's exactly what she's gonna show you. You cannot make the girl something she's not. If she is trying to sleep with you and you're the one trying to force a reality onto her that she doesn't even believe, you're trying to force the reality of a good girl onto her, it will only backfire, and it will backfire in a painful way because you're building an idea that doesn't exist. You're building a reality in your mind that's not even true. So what are you doing? Trying to delay stuff. If anything's gonna get delayed, it's gonna be delayed by the girl. Always gonna be the one advancing the date. If she doesn't want it, she's gonna stop it. But at least you have balls. Understand? Don't ever go to the movie theater for the first date. That is the worst idea. It's so awkward. Don't ever do that. Second idea, guys, a fancy restaurant. Guys, it's not about the money. I can easily afford any fancy restaurant I want. The point is not to impress her. Nothing says she's out of your league more than you trying to impress her. The point is not for you to audition for her. You're going to vet her to see if she's normal from the first place, see if you get along. When I know the girl's worth it, we'll go to the best places. Not on the first date. Look, I'm not even sure I enjoy your company. Why would I take you into a fancy date? Okay, let's picture this. You go to a fancy restaurant, right? You're gonna spend money, and the girl is just weird. Girl just awkward. You don't enjoy her company. You just want to leave. Now you're stuck chewing food with some girl that you don't even enjoy the company. Best thing you can do is just go for a drink, bro. Why are you going to chew food in some fancy restaurant, spending money? Why? You're shooting yourself in the foot, seriously, because the moment you put a certain expectation, anything you do below that is gonna be a disappointment. That means if you go to a fancy restaurant from the get-go, you have to exceed that each time. Why would you want to put yourself in that situation? Listen, most women are gonna go on different dates, multiple dates with different guys to see which one they like. Well, should I go and spend hundreds of dollars on each date in order to see which one I like too? Girls, they say, I want the guy to spend to make sure he doesn't go on multiple dates. But you go on multiple dates. You gotta show me that you're not going on multiple dates too. Like, what the hell? I love restaurants. And if I enjoy your company, I take you with me regardless. Because I want to go there anyways. I'm not doing this for you. But I enjoy your company, so I'll take you with me. But I'm not on first date. I'm not even sure I like you. I just like you physically, so what the hell? Don't take girls in fancy restaurants, right? When a woman likes you guys, she wants your time and she wants your attention. She just wants to spend time with you. She doesn't need your money. She doesn't need you to make you spend or anything. If she want to make you spend, she's trying to make you invest. She's trying to make you invest so she can drag you.
You see what I mean?
Don't do that, guy. If she likes you, she just want to be around you. If she likes you, she thinks like, okay, I really like this guy. I just want to hang out. It doesn't matter what you tell her. You go out, let's go for coffee. She's going to be, yeah, okay. You know, let's go for a drink. She's going to be like, sure. Either that, she wants trying to make you invest, or she's just brainwashed by some books or some whatever game she's learning. Or you have to make the guy do this. If not, he's not serious about you. That's called structured woman. We're not going to deal with that. That's a different video, which I'm going to make. Girl with, like, she's too structured. She's following too many rules. We're not here to deal with that, all right? And last but not least, guys, not planning a date in the first place. Some guy, I talk to some girls, man, and they tell me this. Like, the guy goes, okay, let's meet this day at this time. They meet, and the guy goes, so what should we do? Brother, like, really? Women like leadership, masculine energy. Plan something, guys. It's not that hard. Just go for a drink. First of all, anyways, when you plan the date, you're gonna go with something like, hey, do you like cocktails?
He goes, yeah, I like cocktails.
Great, I have the perfect place for us. That's simple, guy. It's not that hard. When you set the date with her later, you're like, we meet at this place, you're gonna love this. She knows you already planned the place, you reserved the place or whatever, and she's gonna go and get drinks and get to know each other. You already planned something. The worst thing you can do is meet with her somewhere and they go, so What do we do? Listen, if you're watching this and you're like, oh, who does that? Bro, trust me, I talk to girls a lot because I like this game, the science of game. Like, you know what I mean? I like to ask girls a lot to confirm my theories, to see if my experiences, confirm itself. Because I'm like, oh, it's just me or whatever, And when a girl goes like, guy brought me to a movie theater or a guy brought me, next to a location, whatever he told me, and then he asked me, what should we do? Who's these guys, man? What are you doing? Plan something. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. It doesn't have to be anything fancy, but at least plan something. Just not a movie theater. You're shooting yourself in the foot. And don't try to make any girl a good girl. She's not. Always advance the date. Watch these two videos here and let me know what you want to hear next. All right, see you next time, guys.